This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Calcium nitrate is a water-soluble fertilizer salt that supplies two critical nutrients: nitrate nitrogen and calcium. Typical technical grades contain about 5% nitrogen and roughly 19% calcium by weight, so you get immediate nitrate for rapid uptake and calcium to strengthen cell walls and reduce blossom end rot. It dissolves easily in water, so always pre-dissolve crystals in a mixing container and then dilute to the target concentration for foliar or root zone feeding. Store dry and keep containers sealed to prevent caking. To mix a stock solution, dissolve about 2 grams per liter of water, approximately 6 grams per US gallon, to reach roughly 150 ppm nitrogen, a common maintenance rate for many vegetables. For weekly feeding, apply as a root drench at that concentration. For foliar sprays, use a lower rate and spray in the early morning or late afternoon to reduce leaf burn. Do not combine calcium nitrate directly with phosphate concentrates or sulfate-heavy mixes in the same tank, because insoluble precipitates can form and clog lines. Handle calcium nitrate with standard fertilizer safety. Wear gloves and eye protection, avoid inhaling dust, and keep it away from organic materials and strong reducing agents. Monitor substrate electrical conductivity. Many soil and soilless crops perform well with an EC around 1:2:2. 0 ms/cm when using balanced feeds that include calcium nitrate. Periodically flush the root zone with plain water to prevent salt accumulation, and reduce dose if you see leaf tip burn or slowed growth. Keep it locked away from children and pets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.